Hello guys, nataka niwaonyeshe how to set up this Litebeam 5AC as an access point or a station. So first ukiconnect kwa moto, so unakuja kwa wifi options, you just click, then you just search for wireless connection yake. So wireless connection ya Litebeam inazanga na LBE like this one. So first you wait for it to connect. So inakwambia you sign in. Okay, so you click here. So after clicking sign in, inakupeleka hapa, so you click continue anyway. Nasema iko connected. The next part, so after continuing, inafungua this tab, inakwambia your connection is not private. So you click advanced, then unaenda proceed to your IP address, then inafunguka hapa sasa. So hapa ndo tunaanza kufanya setup. So the first option, kama iko reset, unakuja hapa. Okay, so you select your country. Okay, my country is, una select country. Then next una agree to the terms and condition. Okay, then you click continue. So inakuleta in another phase. Hapa unaweka username which is ubnt and a strong password. So you just create your password. Okay, my password nime create. Okay, so ukiweka password, you click on save. After clicking on save, inakupeleka kwa dashboard. Ukifika hapa unaenda kwa wireless. So kama unataka kuset kama access point, you just turn on the access point option hapa. Kama unataka kuset kama station, you set off this one, then you switch off this one if you are not using P2P options. So channel width, you can select out of this one. I use this 2040. Okay, then next unakuja kwa output power. This one you can adjust to any amount. Maximum ni 24 based on ile country umechangua. Okay, so next ni distance. You can turn off this one, then you adjust to the distance of your need. You can set even to the maximum of 22 kilometers. Okay, so next part ni wireless security. So the wireless security, hii ni ile password umeset yenye itakuwa ina kufacilitate kuconnect between this station and the other access points. So password yangu nilikuwa nimeweka hiyo, so you insert your password. Okay, the next hapo unaweza skip, unakuja hapa kwa calculate ERP. You just turn off the calculate ERP limit, then sensitivity threshold you just turn on. Okay, so hiyo ndo setup yetu. So hiyo ndo dashboard ya kwanza, then you click save. It will take some minutes to save. You just wait for some minutes. So imemaliza ku save. So after saving that first step, unaenda next on network. So under network, hapo una click on static, then unaweka IP address yako based on your microtik setup ama your source of internet. So my IP address ya kwanza ni hiyo, netmask iko hivyo automatic. Gateway IP unaweka DNS server, alternative DNS. Okay, then pia hii una click save. Unaona configuration saved successfully. So next option unaenda kwa system. So hapa kwa system ndo una rename your Litebeam. Kama ni client umekea anaitwa Jose, unaweka Jose station. Okay, hapo unaenda kwa save. Okay, so that's how we do it. Then unarudi home, unaweza ona our Litebeam imechange jina from Litebeam to Jose station. So next unakuja hapa kwa wireless, unakuja kwa SSID, you click select. Okay, so you can see my SSID yenye iko karibu for setup ni this way. You click on this dot, inakuwa highlighted hivyo, then una click select. Okay, then unakuja hapa chini una click save. Okay, so you just wait for the connection. Okay, so that's how to set up your Litebeam as an access point or station. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiry, you can just reach out for some direction. Thank you.